Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm a pig.
It's not safe. Oof, it went up my nose. I hate when like...
Sorry.
Sorry. Sorry. So. Was that better? For the sandwich, man. I am very gross. Do you guys like burps? Because I can feel... How? Do you guys mind if I burp? Sorry. I don't got anything to do with that shit.
Spicy. Come on.
Sorry.
Pick me, I'm
My bad.
so bored.
Fuck. He's biting his leg. Oh, sorry. There you go. Do you guys like burps? Sorry, I know it's a little gross, maybe. Still want me to be your mom?
Thanks.
Sorry, you guys. 3. Just back up, hey? Singing. Oh, I wanted to burp so badly this whole time. That was good. Pasar el cel. Oof. Dude, I had to like move my body for that to come out. Sorry. Hello or Corona. How about Dos Equis? I like Dos Equis, but they only... Sorry, wow, I'm gonna be burping a lot. I'm disgusting. Sorry, it's the beer. Las manzanas. You hear that? Meat lasagna when I refer to beef. I was like, I'm out of here. Oh, that went up my nose. How are you? Yeah, it's Perrier. It makes you burp so much. Thank you. I'm so sorry. I like how I say my weight. Sorry, I like how I say my weight in kilograms. Sorry about that. I thought it was basil. Yo, hello. Okay, 2 gifted subs. Sorry. Wow. Oh, there we go. I really wanted to do that. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, yeah. There's make it jiggle. There's make it jiggle. Oh, yeah. Okay, now I'm good. Stay. Baby, put the fever on.